Welcome to your guide on the Ninja DoubleStack XL 2-basket air fryer, the only air fryer with 4 even layers of cooking thanks to DoubleStack air frying technology. With this unique appliance, you can cook 4 different foods simultaneously without taking over your countertop. You can also use Smart Finish to cook 2 meals 2 ways that finish at the same time, or match cook to sync settings across baskets for fast and easy batch cooking. 6 versatile cooking functions make just about any dish possible. Choose air fry for fresh and frozen snacks, air broil for melting toppings, bake for desserts, roast for large proteins and veggies, reheat to revive your leftovers, and dehydrate for delicious dried snacks. Let's get started with a fan favorite, French fries. Simply load the fries into either basket. After powering on the unit, press Zone 1 to program the top basket. Choose your cook function, like air fry, set the temperature and cook time, and press Start Pause to begin. While the fries cook, let's talk accessories. You get 2 crisper plates, one for each basket, that allow hot air to surround your food. These plates can be placed in either a lower or upper position, depending on your needs, ensuring even cooking and crisping. You also have 2 stacked meal racks meant for multi-layer meal making. We'll be using the bottom basket to create a layered meal. First, insert a crisper plate, then your veggies. Then insert the meal racks in the baskets with the handles facing up, fitting snugly into the side notches. On top of that goes your protein. Slide the whole basket in and select air fry, set the temp and time, then press Start Pause to start cooking your meal. When your meal is finished cooking, the stacked meal racks will be hot. Make sure to use oven mitts or silicone-tipped tongs when removing the meal racks from the baskets. Now that our fries and stacked meal have finished, it's time to clean up. Because it's a Ninja, cleanup is super fast and easy. After unplugging and cooling down your air fryer, start by wiping the outside with a damp cloth to get rid of any grease or residue. The baskets, stacked meal racks, and crisper plates are all dishwasher safe. For a deeper clean, we recommend hand washing. Soak everything in warm, soapy water to loosen up any stuck-on food. Then, give them a good wash with a soapy sponge. Once everything's cleaned and rinsed, air dry or towel dry before storing them back in the fryer. It's as easy as that. For more tips and tasty recipes, check out the inspiration guide that comes with your air fryer or visit us at ninjakitchen.com. Don't forget to check out our other videos on DoubleStack Pro Meal Making and Smart Finish and Match Cook.